What is up, everybody? Today is my first week at my new job at the shop, working on all the BMWs and helping out, doing a whole bunch of stuff, and it has been awesome. I've been trying to get little clips while still working and still getting stuff done. There are a lot of projects and stuff going on, and I've been trying to just kind of get my balance and my swing, and trying to just figure out the shop and how everything works. So it's been a little bit hectic, and I haven't been able to do full videos, and I'm going to be able to do those full videos a little bit in the future. So I wanted to put together just kind of random stuff, talk a little bit about it. This shop has crazy rare cars that I've never seen before. It has a 3.0 CSL, which is one of 167, and I want to do a full separate video on that car. It has a E30 Touring, and just all the different cars that I've shown, and some you guys haven't seen. And so it's been very cool to kind of just dive in. But this is just going to be a hodgepodge of kind of the week and some of the clips from just everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and without further ado, my name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Let's get into it. This thing is incredible. It looks very blue on camera, but it's this crazy green color. This is absolutely crazy. Again, I love my E30 wagon. The thing is clean, but I was able to, first of all, clean the M3 today, and that thing looks amazing. And then I was also able to clean this thing. I've never seen half of these cars in my life before. This is like a teal in person, but it comes up blue on camera. It's this beautiful green color. Being able to work with some of these cars is just incredible. So like I said, this one is a old school, just beautiful color. It's basically a 2002. It's a 1602 in the Turkish green, I think. Basically it's turquoise. And then the E46 M3, this thing is beautiful. All of these cars are actually for sale, so if you guys are in the market for anything, the E46 M3, the 2002, the other 2002 that has an S52 in it, I need to do a review on that car. And then the E30 wagon is also for sale. It is right-hand drive, it's a touring, it has 160,000 miles on it. The M3 also has 160,000 miles on it. I will link the website down below, so go check them out. There's an insane inventory over here, and again, cars that I've never even heard of, that, you know, are one-of-one type of rarity, especially being on the road, and it is crazy. It's awesome to see these cars being restored, being worked on, and I love it. This right-hand drive, 2002, is from Australia, and it is also for sale. And then this is the car that we are working on today. Here is a wide body E30 that is a project car. They are throwing a V8 into it. So right now they just got the subframe reinforced, and the engine is out, and they are throwing this bad boy in there. So the wide body was done by somebody else, but it looked really clean. The engine bay is not great, but they're working on it. Nice. Again, this is an S52, so out of an E36 M3. Sounds so good. This is a 2002 going to paint. All the trim is off. All the body work is pretty much done. Interior is pretty much stripped. And it's ready to get a refresh. Oh no. Well, that bit is not going on the lift. Okay. Man. That's all the carpet. Oof. What happened to this thing? I don't even want to stand underneath this thing.
Okay.
That side isn't on. My God. This is why you should always check underneath a car. Again, not saying that this thing is not showing signs of rusting outside, but all underneath, the entire, just all of it is rusting out. Everything's soft. Everything's just completely toast. Falling through the floorboards. We're inside the car now. Crazy. Everything from the diff. Want to touch them?
No.
No feeling it?
Yeah,
They're actually quite clean animals, I promise.
They are. You just don't want to get bit by them.
No. Go, little buddy. He's just a little guy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, I will get more clips and more videos on separate cars in the future. Just kind of getting my swing of things. But if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I tried to get back to everyone. So until next time, my name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Have an amazing day. Peace.